Hi kids!
Magic.
Today we are going to learn animals and animal sounds.
Met de Orbeez. Din din din. Orbeez.
Wow! What is that?
Bak.
It's a duck.
Tak.
The duck says quack, 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 quack.
Het Orbeez.
It's a cow.
Cow.
The cow says moo,
Wat is dat, joh?
moo, moo,
Wat is dat,
moo.
joh? Wat is dat, joh? Nee.
Yeah, it's a horse.
Koos.
The horse says neigh, 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 neigh.
Wat is dat? Ja. Orbeez. Orbeez.
It's a donkey.
Dakin.
The donkey says
Nee.
ah, ah, ah. It's a turkey. The turkey says gobble, 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 gobble. It's a chicken. The chicken says cluck, 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 cluck. What is that? It's a sheep. The sheep says ba, 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 ba. What is that? It's a pig. The pig says oink, 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 oink.
Orbeez.
What is that? It's a cat. The cat says meow, 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 meow. Alright kids, thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Sudah.